Whitehaven Bay, and we are in the Whitsundays.
It's about 7:15 in the morning, another beautiful day in Airlie. Today we are completing my live list since at least 2020. Definitely looking forward to this.
No, 2000, not 2020, 2000.
2000, even
right.
Way back.
When we sat there in New Year's watching Australia for the new year going into the millennial.
It's always,
and we decided,
it always makes everybody's list of the best beaches in the world and
right.
we start researching it. So for some reason, it's, despite all the other ones cycling, this one is always on the list, either one or two. So we're really looking forward to it.
I distinctly remember when we're watching scenes from Australia in the year 2000. Well, it was 1999 on the 31st of December, and they were showing places all around Australia, and Albert said, I want to go there, and it was the Whitsundays.
Because it was Y2K, so we thought we'd miss it, but
here we are, 25 years later, and we are on our way. So glad you joined, and we're just so excited. So glad to share this with you. Right, favorite Australian saying?
Flat out like a lizard drinking.
Any more? It sounds like you have a lot.
No? Busier than a one-armed bricklayer in Baghdad. There you go. The old Sav.
Wait. It didn't come
First suck of the old Sav, mate. You know what that means?
No.
You got Sav Blanc, so Sav, and a first suck is a big drink. It's shocking, so I had to have a big drink of Sav Blanc. First suck of the old Sav. Fair income. They all mean the same sort of thing, you know, like wow. You know what I mean?
What's fair what?
Fair dinkum. Fair dinkum. Fair dinkum. You're fair dinkum, mate. There's a whale. You know what I mean? A whale.
Cool.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
I have to have a fair suck of the old sand because that whale was huge. All right. Cheers.
Headed to Hamilton Island. First impression, huh?
Amazing. Just arrived at Whitehaven Beach. And, wow, what's awesome.
It's in the background. Look at that.
Water's super clear. White silica sand.
All right, now we get in the smaller boat and we're headed to Hill Inlet. Look.
It's amazing.
Look. All right, we gotta go with, you gotta drop off the stuff. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh man, look at the sand.
Hey, I'm green. Jump on board.
Oh my god. Wow. This is Ngaro country. We're going to walk and explore like the sign says. And go more steps. Now back down the steps. First we're going down to the beach with our group and then we're gonna go back up. Albert, any comments?
It's amazing.
Nice little meander through the woods here. Okay, I think this is the last section because I can hear boats and I see a little blue. Still can't believe we're here, right, honey?
It's amazing. 16 hours.
On a plane.
3 hours. 2 hours.
And then we're here in the sand. Ah, here it is. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, well, let's see. We've been to the Seychelles, we've been to the Maldives, and
I think this wins, guys.
I think this one.
It's pretty white,
Yeah.
pretty blue.
Save the best for last. 25 years later. Worth the wait? Yes, but don't wait this long. Don't wait as long as we did. There's Albert. Don't wait as long. Yay. He's so happy. Now we have to make a new live list.
Plus or minus 10%.
Gotta get us this way. Look that. Look, and there's Driftwood too. My favorite. Look at this. How beautiful this is. And I wish our kids were here.
Sunday.
Yeah. Nice. This is for him. This is his clip. See? Beto with Milo here? Totally. We just realized that we're walking where the inlet is, where when you see all the pictures of Whitehaven Bay, they're all the pictures that look like a, what's that shaky thing? That thing that you buy that you flip upside down and it's blue and white, has sand in it and water. We had it as kids. I don't know what it's called. If I find it, I'll put it there. But that's what this area looks like. And I just realized it's low tide, and this is where we're actually walking on where it gets covered up by water and the sand that shifts all the time.
We're walking in the postcard.
We're walking in the postcard. That's what I always say. Go wherever. Just be in the postcard. Don't spend your life just looking at a postcard. Go and be in your own postcard. Oh, this is crazy. And then in a little bit, we're gonna go up there and take pictures from up there of the inlet. God, it's so blue. It's so blue. You see the stingrays?
No.
It's just so blue. Oh. With the leaves, so it's like fall in the water. I'm surrounded by all these ladies that are showing their thongs, so I have to show my thong. I have to show my sexiness. I got my sexy hat, and I got my sexy thong.
I guess it's just LettyandAlbertGoGo now.
Letty, I'm the most practical, sexy person you'll ever meet.
Alvin and Letty have arrived last.
Yes.
As a result,
Yella.
they will get a 2-hour penalty on the next leg of the amazing race. We're even later than the chinos.
Back in the woods again, headed to the lookout now. Wow. You should film that beautiful view.
This is the second most pictured view in Australia.
Down there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, baby sharks. There are 3 lookouts here, so we're gonna head to the second one right now. And it's just, I think if I ever never make another video again, this is the video that I'm glad I made.
I think it's perfect. It's probably one of the better views I've ever had out here. No, I don't actually.
No,
I'm quite honest with my guys. The reason I say that, guys, is because we have the perfect amount of water in here. It's not too low, it's not too high. It's very sunny, it's very clear. We are getting a bit of fresh water through there as well, so it gives this sort of ripple effect with the darker spots there with the green. That fresh water will run in from the island into this inlet, and if the tide goes out, it becomes super low. Not only do we lose all the swirls, but we also get a lot of brown water coming through. So if you're here after a bunch of rain, it's going to look like any other river. It's going to look brown. But as the tide comes in, it fills back with salt water and fills in with that silica sand and starts looking very pretty.
So we just learned that recently Disney filmed here for the Pirates of the Caribbean 5, and apparently they got all the research wrong. A few things, they came in the summer, so the weather was terrible. The tides were huge. They actually lost their camera boat with hundreds of thousands of equipment.
$100,000.
Of equipment. In addition, the stars decided to bring their dogs, Johnny Depp, and it cost an additional
Those Floridians.
extra $1,000 on fines because it is a park, and so that was not allowed. There's also, they're trying to film the Caribbean, and there's no coconut trees, so they had to bring in their own. They couldn't plant them because of the laws associated with the there's also no coconuts in this area, and they were supposedly shooting.
So no palms and no coconut trees?
So they were supposedly shooting in the Caribbean, so every day they would bring in a ton of coconut trees at a cost of about $9,000 each, and every night they had to take them back out.
So when you see the movie, look for those coconuts, and
If
you
you're
heard it
wondering
here
why
first.
Disney Plus is so expensive. And after all that, with the Pirates of the Caribbean, they were only able to use 30 to 60 seconds of actual shooting.
Just can't get enough of it. Now we're off to the third platform viewing platform, and he said that was the best, if there could be a best. Oh my, I mean, the other two were, I don't know how it can get much better. This is so amazing. So this is the one they say is the best. Give you an idea how many people are here.
Yes. So like I said, guys, if you take the way to the kids, they might disappear. Watch out, watch out. First thing they do, you polish your jewelry. Wait, okay. She will in return with you. Alright? Watch out. Now guys, amazing for us, but not amazing for everyone. It's not.
The king of beaches for beach people. This is it. You have arrived. The most beautiful beach in the world. Right here. We are so glad that you joined us here in what I think is our best video yet of Whitsundays in
Beautiful
Australia.
day. Yeah. Whitehaven Beach, not to be missed.
Never. This, put it on your live list. Hands down, should be at the top of your list. So thanks again. I'm Letty
Albert,
from LettyandAlbertGoGo, and
peace be the journey.
thanks again.
So it's a stinger suit, but I'm actually using it because it's so cold.
He's
But
supporting.
There's no way I can't go in here.
Right. He's
gotta
showing
go.
you. He's showing you what the
is
stinger
cold.
suit it looks like.
A Floridian's way to the Whitehavens in December. I mean in winter.
The water is not that cold. We say goodbye to Whitehaven Bay, Whitehaven Beach. But man, would we love to come back. Come in a catamaran, stay overnight here. Was everybody waiting to go back? I think the islands in the British Virgin Islands have met their match with Whitehaven Bay. This was an incredible tour. We highly recommend Sailing Whitsundays.